In a lush green jungle, Captain Coconut, adorned with a crown of palm leaves, stands heroically on a rocky cliff, ready to lead his mischievous crew of pirate parrots in search of untold treasure. With the ancient map in hand, Captain Coconut and his crew of pirate parrots weave through the dense jungle, their hearts racing as they finally unearth a mysterious treasure chest, hinting at adventures yet to come. As Captain Coconut lifts the lid of the treasure chest, his eyes widen at the sight of glittering jewels and shimmering gold, while his cheerful pirate parrots circle around them in joyous celebration under the magical hues of the setting sun.